agreeing to watch this video, you are agreeing to relieve United Taps and its staff of any liability for injuries or damages caused by watching or attempting any of the movements presented in this video. If you do not agree to this, please discontinue watching this video now. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com. You're about to learn an intermediate tap combination designed to go to the song Just Like Heaven by The Cure. Before we jump in, don't forget, we have a ton of great stuff at UnitedTaps.com. Click on the links below. We got lessons, we got workouts, we got choreography, we got dictionaries, we got a ton of stuff that'll keep you tapping and having lots of fun. All right, my friends, let's jump in. Starting with the right foot, you have step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step, step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and followed by scuffle, step, stamp, stamp, step, step. Again, that next part was scuffle, step, stamp, stamp, step, step. Let's take it from the top, so I'll give you the counts. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8 and we'll give that another shot. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8 and from here, repeat those step toe hops. Step toe hop, step toe hop, step step, followed by clunk, step clunk, step clunk. No weight on these clunks. Again, that is clunk, step clunk, step clunk. Beautiful, my friends. Let's go from top. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 8. Why, yes, we'll give it another shot from the top. 6, ready, go. Step, toe, hop, step, step, scuffle, step, step, stamp, step, toe, hop, step, clunk, step, clunk. One more time. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 8. From here, jump out flat foot, double pull back, step, step. And again, jump out, double pull, step, step. So we do that twice in a row. I'll do that with some counts. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 4, 5, 6, and 8. From here, 4 step heels. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can, turn them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not going to lie, they're pretty fast. All right? Or if you want to do like a slow turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be another option as well. I'm going to go for the 2 fast ones. We'll see how it turns out. So we have 4 step heels turning. When I say 2 fast ones, I mean 2 rotations. 6, 7, 8. Step heel, step heel, step heel, step heel. Right foot's free. Dig, step, step, dig, step, step, stamp. That's 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Cool. Let's go from those step heels. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Why, yes, I'll do that again. 5, 6, ready, go. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, dig, step, step, dig, step, step, stamp. That is coming out of your jump, double pull, step, step. Jump, double pull, step, step. Now step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Let's try that transition from jump, double pull. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 4, 5, 6 again, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Why, certainly we can do that again. Same spot, jump, double pull. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 4, 5, 6 again, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Super, my friends. We're going to take it from top, go all the way through that. Good luck. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, toe, hop, step, scuffle, step, step, toe, hop, step, clunk, step, clunk. Jump, double pull, step, jump, double pull, step, heel, step, heel, dig, step, stamp. Woo, we're going to do that all again, this time with the counts. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 8. 1, 2 and 4, 5, 6 again and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Left foot is free. We'll jump into everyone's favorite bomber shays. That is bomber shay, then stamp, stamp, and repeat it. Bomber shay, stamp. I'm joking because bomber shay is one of the most hated steps in tap. It's just an awkward step until you're used to it. So I'm going to do that whole bomber shay section, which is 7, 8. bomber, shay, stamp, stamp, bomber, shay, stamp, stamp. 5, 6, with counts, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and step, clap, step, 4 times in a row. Step, clap, step, 2, clap, step, 3, clap, step, 4, clap, step, followed by step, step, stamp. 4 step, clap, steps, and then step, step, stamp. Let's go from step, clap, step. 7, 8, 1 clap, step, 2 clap, step, 3 clap, step, 4 clap, step, 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 stamp. Again, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Faster. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That's coming right out of those bomber shays, so let's practice connecting the bomber shays into the step claps. 6, 7, 8. Bomber, shay, stamp, stamp, bomber, shay, stamp, stamp. 1 clap, step, 2 clap, step, 3 clap, step, 4 clap, step, 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 step. Again with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One more time. A little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From here, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, jump, and a wing, step, step. Why, yes, I'll do that again. 6, 7, 8. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, jump, and a wing, step, step. Followed by step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Jump, clap, clap, chug, clap, clap, jump. Again, that last part was jump, clap, clap, chug, clap, clap, jump. Cool. Let's go from the first set of step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. That's the set with a wing. 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6 and 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Oh yeah, we'll do it again. Same thing. 6, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6 and 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6 and 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yes. Pardon me. Let's go back and connect from bomber shays. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah. We're all that all again. That whole chunk, bomber shays to the end. By the way, that's the end of the combination. Congratulations, you made it. From the bombers. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now we got to go back and connect that all together. Those bomber shays we're coming out of. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, dig, step, step, dig, step, step, stamp. Bomber, shay, stamp, stamp. Let's practice that transition from the step, heel turns just through the first set of bomber shays. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Bomber, shay, stamp, stamp. Yeah. Again, same thing. We're just practicing that transition. Step, heel turns. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... One more time, but this time keep going all the way to the end. From the step, heel turns. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right. Well, my friends, it's time to take us from the top all the way through. You can do it. We're starting with the step toe hops. Here we go. Step toe hops. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and double pull. 1, 2 and 4, 5, 6 and turn. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 bomber shays now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna roll it again, no doubt. No doubt right now. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 8. 1, 2 and 4, 5, 6 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, let's give it a shot with music. Again, the song is Just Like Heaven by The Cure, a classic from my teenage years. We're going to start at 25 seconds into the song, basically with the first main guitar lick. So we'll give it a shot. All right, here we go. I'll maybe slow it down that first run. Maybe minus, let's try minus 9.5 and see how that feels. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why, yes, we can try that again. Of course. We'll keep it at the minus 9.5% speed and give it another shot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's speed it up a bit. You know, it's a little ironic to tap to a happier song by The Cure. I would do a darker song, but then nobody would want to do it, so it's all good. All right, here we go. Same thing, we're a little faster. It's about minus 4.8%. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to roll that again, same speed, minus 4. It's not too bad of a jump, minus 4.8. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Real speed, my friends. You can do it. Here we go. Good luck. Have fun. Let's do this. Real deal. 5, 6, speed. Have fun. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to do it one more time facing the camera. You're not expected to do it with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front if all goes well. Alright, thank you all so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time. Hey, at UnitedTaps.com, we have so much content. We have a huge intermediate lesson series. We teach you steps. We talk about common problems and how to fix them. We take those steps, we put them in a combination. And we'll do that for 2 or 3 different steps. And at the end of the lesson, we'll take all those steps and put them in a longer combination. So the lessons are very logical. I teach you something, and then we immediately use it in a combination. Then you'll use it again at the end of the lesson in that combination. Then you're going to see it show up in the next lesson's warm-up, and you'll see it show up in other combinations throughout that lesson series. That's our intermediate lesson series, which you can get at UnitedTaps.com. So we're constantly building upon the material. I teach how real people learn, right? Real people don't just see a step once and they just magically have it. No. They need to see it slow, they need to do it slow over and over and gradually work up your speed. That's what we do in the lessons. Then they need to use that step, like in a combination. That's what we do. And then they need to see that step again in future lessons, in warm-ups and in combinations. So they don't just forget about it. You just do it in that one lesson and it doesn't show up again. You get to lesson 10 and I bring it back, you're going to be like, I have no idea what that was. Did we really learn that, Rod? I love it when I teach live classes. And I'll have a student, I'll have done, let's say, drawbacks. And then for whatever reason, we don't get to drawbacks again for a while. Maybe it's 4 or 5 weeks later. Now we do drawbacks. And they're like, you didn't teach us those. I'm like, no, I didn't. Look at my lesson notes. Like, we did. I promise. So anyway, in the video lessons, in this video series, those steps will show up again and again, so you're constantly getting reinforced. We also have choreography, all levels. We have a lot of intermediate routines, but we have all levels from beginner up through advanced. We've got that tap dictionary, practice exercises, across the floor combinations. It's great. Teachers, this is great content. It all comes with written notes with counts. So if you're a notes and counts person, you have it right there ready to go for class. It makes it easy. If you're a student, everything is broken down slowly and clearly, just like I do in this combination. It's like, let's learn the first part. Let's try it a couple times. Now let's learn the second part. Let's try that. Now let's connect it. Again, I teach how real people learn. So it's not just show it once and move on as if you've gotten everything perfect, because that's not how real people learn. And so you can find all that content at UnitedTaps.com. The links are below to specific products, or you can just go to UnitedTaps.com in general and browse. I hope you had a great time. I, of course, am Rod Howell from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.